Here we have Chris. He just bought the new Lawnmower 4.0 and he is about to unbox it.
Yes. Welcome to our unboxing video.
Yes.
I can't wait to shave my balls with this.
Exactly. Oh wow.
Anyways.
Look at that clean casing.
Wow.
Wow.
So clean, so neat, so tidy. How do I open this?
Oh, it comes out clean like that. Oh,
that is a fancy.
that is fancy. Just look
Oh,
at that.
see, it looks like a ball sack. Or it could be a heart.
It could be a heart.
Depends on how you look at it.
Yeah.
Anyways, wow.
Wow. Look at
It's a whole new balls game.
nice. Oh, we got the lawnmower.
We got the actual razor thing. Super cool. We got this manual thing. I guess it's a manual. Anyways, oh, it's got pictures. Oh, it shows it. It shows a ball.
The ball doesn't have hair in it though. It needed to have hair.
Anyways, this is also a manual, I guess. Oh, and we got the different stuff and the holder thing.
Ooh, that's a nice holder.
And we got a bag.
How much did this cost you, by the way?
This cost me like $60.
$60, huh?
I don't know what's in here.
Let's find out.
Oh, it's a charger.
Just a cable, charging cable.
That's
With the logo.
Ain't that something?
Yeah.
Anyways, this is my ball saver. Can you stop recording now?